A very warm hello to all the listeners. This is Alicia, and today we are going to discuss 10 most important idioms which are frequently asked in competitive exams. Idioms are asked for about 4 to 6 marks. Therefore, this video is gonna be very helpful to you people. Before we begin, let's know that what is idiom. So broadly speaking, an idiom is a widely used phrase that when taken as a whole has a particular meaning that you would not be able to deduce from the meanings of the individual words. For example, the greeting. We have one greeting. How are you doing today? So this is an example of an idiom. Normally, how means in what manner or to what degree. Taken literally, the question doesn't make a lot of sense. But fluent English speakers understand the idiomatic meaning. How are you doing today usually just means hello. Okay, so let's move towards few of the important idioms and their meanings. The first one is to keep the ball rolling. It means to continue the work. For instance, in the picture, you can see that two people are there and they are rolling the ball. Maybe it's football and they are playing. So, rolling the ball, it means that to continue the work, whichever you are doing. Okay. So, this is how you can relate to the picture. Second one is burn a hole in a pocket. It simply means that money is spent very quickly. For instance, there is a picture of jeans pocket. When the pocket gets burned, then the money will automatically get down or will come out of the pocket. So this is how you can relate that whenever there is a question like burn a hole in a pocket and you have to tell the meaning in any of the competitive exam. So you may just think that it means money is spent quickly. Okay. Now the third one, to cut one's coat according to one's cloth. It means to live within one's means. So in the picture, you can see that you have to make a coat according to the size of the cloth. You don't have any option to just take it from another, means to take the cloth from anybody else. You don't have that option. You have to just create a coat of yours with your resources. Okay, so it simply means to live within one's means. You have to just spend your life with the resources that you are already having with yourself. Okay. Now, the fourth one, make a mountain out of a molehill. This is one of a very easy idiom which actually means to exaggerate a minor difficulty. For instance, you have a very little problem which is just like a mole of the hill, which is so small, which seems so small, but you present the problem to others in such a way that it's like a huge mountain. So this is what it means. Make a mountain out of a molehill means the problem is so small and you are presenting it to be a very big mountain. So that is called this idiom. Now moving on the fifth one, once in a blue moon. Okay, so these kind of nights do not happen in central or southern India or in any of the part. It happens mostly in the north poles or south poles. So at the night time, the sky becomes blue and the moon also appears to be blue. So those nights happen so rarely. That is why the meaning of this idiom is rarely. Once in a blue moon, it means rarely. Okay. Now the sixth one, put the cart before the horse. Okay, so it means to do things wrongly. As you can see in the picture, the cart is placed in front of the horse, which is absolutely wrong. The cart needs to be placed at the back of the horse, which is the right position of placing the cart. So this is the wrong way of putting the cart. That is why the meaning is to do things wrongly. So, or to do the things in a wrong manner or not in an expected manner. Okay. Now comes the seventh one, to pay through the nose. It means to pay very dearly. And often in our culture, we attribute our nose with respect or with something which is acquired through great effort. So, pay dearly means obtain something at a high cost or great effort. Okay, either you spend a lot of money or you spend a lot of your hard work in achieving something. So, this idiom simply means to pay very dearly, means to obtain something at a high cost or with great effort. Now it's eighth one, put in cold storage. It means to keep a work pending. So as you can see in the picture, maybe the room temperature is so cold and this uncle is just sleeping while he was doing the work. So this very idiom is used for the lazy people who just keep on pending their work. It means they just say that let's do tomorrow, and this way their works just keeps pending. Okay, so it simply means to keep a work pending, and this very idiom is used for the lazy people, just like you can see in the picture. He's sleeping while he was doing the work. All right. Then comes the ninth one, to take the law into one's hand. So as it is evident from the idiom that this very idiom means to make or to have a disregard for law and order. It means to be in the disagreement of a particular law or order, or to just disrespect the law and order. Okay. Then comes the 10th one, take the bull by the horns. So it means to adopt the most direct and most dangerous way of facing difficulties. It simply means that you have a task or a work which is so dangerous, and still you are doing it in a direct way and you are facing the difficulties. For instance, you are holding the horns of the bull from the front. Isn't it so dangerous? It's a lot dangerous. Okay, so this is what it means, that just like you are holding the horns of the bull from the front, so this very thing can be related to the meaning that the task that you have is so much dangerous and you are facing a lot of difficulty. Okay. So we have completed the 10 most important idioms. The 10th one was so much important that it came nearly about 5 to 6 times in many and different competitive exams, be it SSC, PO, or PCAs. That which one was that? It was take the bull by the horns, which means to adopt the most direct and most dangerous way of facing difficulties. I hope you understood all the 10 idioms. Thank you and have a nice day.